Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be checking out the road from Calangute to Baga, and we're going to be checking out all the different shops that are open and all this crowd and everything, and I'll be explaining to you all the best places to go to and whatever is open here guys right now in the month of December. So let's go and check it out. Today's video we are here in Calangute Market, and I'm just going to show you a tour of the market and what's open right now. So this is Cafe Susegado. It's one of the best restaurants to come if you want some Goan food. This is right at the Calangute Circle. So they have really good Goan food over here. This is the main Calangute market at the moment. So over here, if you want cheap street food, or like if you want biryani, or you know, things like that, this is the place to come. You will get all your pharmacy and all other things available here. See, they have shawarmas and biryanis, unlimited dum biryani, and a lot of shops over here, grocery stores, mobile stores. If you want to buy alcohol, you can buy alcohol, cashew nuts, all these kind of things here. There's a small little bar ahead over here. If you want to get cheap alcohol, then you should come to this small little bar. This is the bar. So it's called APM bar, and this is an old haircutting salon. This it's called the Calangute Tito, and they have the old Calangute haircutting salon here. So as you can see, there is a lot of crowd already, and we are in my car. I'm just going to drive around and show you guys what is open here. So as you can see, the crowd is, there's quite a lot of crowd, and yes, so as you can see, there are tattoo studios here. So there are a lot of tattoo studios here. I would always recommend that you check the photos of their tattoos before doing any tattoo, because sometimes not all of them may be as professional. So this is also a market over here, and this is another tattoo studio, Baskin Robbins. This Carvalho's bar and restaurant is very popular with foreigners, so all the British tourists always come to that, and there are a lot of British tourists that come here every day. There are lots of shops here selling bikinis and clothes. So if you want clothes from 100 rupees or so, then you will get them here. So there is a lot of Indian food restaurants, like South Indian food restaurants on this lane, and also wine stores. And over here you get a lot of cheap street food. So if you would like to, it's next to King Crown Tattoo, and you can get a lot of cheap street food like vada pav, or if you want like budget street food like fried rice and stuff for 100 rupees. So now we are reaching the main Calangute Circle, which goes on towards Baga, and as you can see, that's the main Calangute area, beach area. This over here is the Tibetan market. So these are all Tibetan shops, and as you can see, there are different shops here. So let's go ahead. This is Infanteria. This is a very popular place for Goan snack food and like things you would like to eat, like French fries, snacks, those kind of things. So this area doesn't have really a lot of crowd right now. So this is in December. This is the second week of December. The main crowd will start entering in from the third week of December. So as you can see, there is a lot of shops open though, and a lot of food places, souvenirs, alcohol. There's more clothes shops, and these are big salons. So this is called Paradise Salon and Spa. These are really big salons that you have here. Again, more street food here. So right now we are heading into the main Baga beach area and Tito's Lane area. So we're just going to take a ride from Calangute Market to Baga, and I'm going to just show you all the stores open on this side of the street. So these are sightseeing places. They have all these tours. There are many tour shops open actually right now. So this stretch is a little dead because there's not much people here. But if you go a little further on, we are going to reach to Baga Deck, which has a lot of people. So Baga Deck is quite a popular restaurant, and it also has like live music and DJs and stuff on weekends. So if you're coming here on a weekend, Baga Deck is a good place to have like drinks in the evening, and then you go on to having your food and party at one of the clubs later on. So this is Baga Deck, guys. So as you can see here, so it's very popular. It has a big bar, and there are many wine stores right next to it. There's like 5 wine stores in one line here. The thing about wine stores is you buy it from any shop, it's the same price, so it doesn't matter. You can buy the same thing as long as they treat you well. Then that's the store you should go to. So this is, now we have reached into Baga, the main area of Baga. So this here is Baga and the main street, Baga Street. So this is Club Tao. This used to be a very popular club, but they're still open now, and this is mostly for stags. Again, this is the main Tibetan market. So this is somewhere where you'll get really cool souvenirs. Of course, these souvenirs are like the Tibetan style, like silver and ornaments and stuff like that. So Baga, all the stores are open, but unfortunately at the moment there is not much crowd. But also, again, this is early in the evening, so there could probably be much more crowd later on. This shop has a lot of bags, lots and lots of bags. This is Namaste Chai, very popular place for tea, and if you want to get some cheap snacks and cheap tea and coffee, very good place to get. So now we are about to head into Tito's Lane. So this on the left is Tito's Lane, which is the popular famous party street. So this is Tito's Lane, and on Saturdays, Sundays this lane is packed. If you've not seen my Baga Beach video, you should check that out to see what's open. There are other clubs inside from this street. There are smaller clubs which are on that street. Of course, these are all for stags. The main Titos, Mambos are mostly for couples. So if you want to party. So many of the restaurants are starting up now, vegetarian restaurants and stuff, starting for the season now, guys. So now we are at the main Baga Market, and the Baga Market actually has more shops than any of the other markets. I mean, comparatively it's more close by, and you can see there are many stores. You can get hookahs, you can buy all these kind of stuff here. So these are all different shops here. Mostly it's clothing. It's very popular for clothing. Shining Star is a South Indian restaurant. They have South Indian food, shawarmas, clothes. This place is very popular for hookahs and bongs and stuff like that. Tattoo studios, clothing, again more bongs and hookahs. So this is La Calypso. This is to be the casino, and now it's closed.